There was a poem calling, but now it's stopped. Okay, come.
You can actually
way to start your tour. Like, most people only like come to this juncture much later.
What do you mean? Like exploring the side of
Okay, everyone come here. So you can take a picture of this bird from a phone. Even if the bird is unclear, even if the picture is unclear, it's a very common bird and very easily recognizable by just its pose. Can you see the pose of it? It has a long neck and is looking down. So that's pretty much enough to identify what bird this is. Sit on the scope. And I'll take a picture for the kids. You can come and see here. Yeah, so that's actually a purple heron. It's on the scope. It's on the scope, the purple heron. Yeah. No, you. Purple heron on the scope. So you're going to click a picture of this one actually. Even if it's an unclear picture, it's common for you. You see this long neck? And it has like a purplish body. We'll go a little closer. Don't touch the scope. Mugger. So in Goa we only get mugger crocodiles, but in India there's 3 species, no? In India there's 3 species of crocodiles, but in Goa we just get one. We have one saltwater crocodile in India, and one is a gharial. No alligators in India. Alligator is only found in North and South America. Not even in Asia. Gharials are false crocodiles with a long snout. And they eat only fish. Gharials. Muggers can eat anything. Their diet consists of varies a lot. Gharial, that's a false crocodile. Actually moving right now, but you can see on the scope it's a bronze wing jacana. So the jacana that we saw there was a female. This one's a male, but it's actually moving, so difficult to put on the scope, but you can click a picture. I know it's moving, but I'll show you something. You can see that black color bird? Okay. So that's the male. And the one that you saw there was the female. That's very deep. That's right there. Yeah, you can see the head now? Yeah. So that's the bronze wing jacana. So this one is actually the eastern cataligrade. There's another species of western cataligrade, but that's not found in India.
So today you are at the Karmali Lake. What do you like to say about your trail?
We are actually doing this trail as a part of the City Nature Challenge. City Nature Challenge is a global event that happens every year, and Goa is participating as a city for the third time this year. And we from WWF Goa are keeping trails so that people can get to know what the City Nature Challenge is. The City Nature Challenge is a challenge that happens every year, and basically you need to document the biodiversity that is around you. So any living thing that you see, it could be plants, trees, birds, small insects, spiders, or large animals. You need to document them, and then you need to upload it on the app called iNaturalist. The city with the most number of observations wins the challenge. Last year Hyderabad won the first place. So this year we are trying to come in the top 5 at least from Goa. And we've been keeping all sorts of trails for the people. We are also going in schools, trying to make the children aware, so that the next youth, they can get aware of this challenge, and they get to know and they get to learn all the biodiversity present around them. If the children know what sort of animals or what sort of plants that are around them, only then they'll get to know their importance. So that's why this challenge is very important. We will also get data of all the biodiversity that is present in Goa. So this challenge will really help a lot. We're trying. There's a crocodile there.
Sir, as of now, how many birds have you seen here at the Karmali Lake?
When we come here for boarding, usually we get about 100 species on a regular manner. Right now we have spotted about 10-20 species here when we started the trail. We'll be going up till the second watchtower, and I think we'll probably reach about 60 to 80 species. That's like a normal count at the Karmali.
So you are a zoologist, so how was your experience been in this field?
It's quite rewarding actually, because I love animals. I've loved animals since when I was a kid. So being in this field has actually inspired me to become a lot more, try to learn more. And people who are new to birding or new to wildlife, they have a little trouble remembering all the names and things. But if you are into this field, if you really love it, it's become very easy. I started birding a few months ago, last year in August only. But in a few months I've learned a lot. So yeah.
What's your full name and you're from which place?
I'm Ankush Sahani. I live in Talegaon.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, how's your experience been today at the Karmali Lake for the trail?
I mean, it's my third trail with the CNC group, and it's always been a great experience. So here also, like observing all these different bird species, and not just observing, like recording them and learning to understand details about them.
So these are egrets.
It's been a really nice
There are
experience.
4 species
Sir, how you got the interest in the bird seeing?
smallest one.
I mean, I think hanging out with these folks only grew my interest. I don't know much about birding, but like Ankush, Vaishnavi, they seem to know a lot and they're happy to share that knowledge. So it's nice to be around people like that.
So every time when you go for the bird seeing, what the experience be like?
Starting to get a little
I mean, it's a fun experience. You are seeing these beautiful creatures out in the wild, in their natural habitat, and you get to learn to understand all these small behaviors. It's a really nice experience.
So your full name and you're from which place?
My name is Tony Joy. I'm from Kottayam in Kerala.
So today you are at the Karmali Lake for the trail. So how has your experience been?
It is very excited to be part of this challenge, City Nature Challenge today. We see a lot of birds, and Goa has so much variety of birds, so it's very exciting.
So how you got the interest in bird seeing?
I was actually passing by during the lakes, and then I saw the watchtower, so I started coming over, and then the interest in birds came in. So then I brought a binocular and then a camera. So it was very exciting to be part of.
So you and the younger children are attending this trail. So any message from your side for the younger generation?
Oh yeah, everybody should be, all kids should be part of this challenge and part of the wildlife, because they would know what is happening. There is a bigger world out there apart from just humans. So we should look at them, we should appreciate them, we should conserve them also, because that's going to balance the whole nature. So we should learn about that.
Sir, your full name and as a profession what you do?
I'm Ranjit Chevale and I'm an IT engineer.
Sir, from which place you are?
I stay in Goa now, but I'm from Pune.
Okay, thank you so much,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you.